Hi guys, right, this is the video that you're going to need to watch for your Unit 1 question that you've still got outstanding to answer. So this question is asking you to comment on 4 different exercises. Now for each category, I'm going to tell you the category and then I'm going to give you 3 exercises. It's up to you which one of the exercises you choose from that category, but you only need 1 from each category. What you're commenting on is the form, so the posture is the posture that you're looking at on the video, the posture that I've taught you in the classroom. Does it match? You're looking at the speed, so am I going too fast, am I going too slow, or am I doing it just right? Technique as well, how is the technique? And if you need any guidance on the technique or you're thinking what's going on, just go back to what I taught you about posture. That will often tell you and guide you about technique. And perhaps if you're confused a little bit by the exercise itself, go online, look at the exercise that I've told you that it is, and look for someone doing that exercise and is what I'm doing matching that particular exercise. So in each one of those boxes, you're going to comment on an exercise from each section. So we're going to do warm up, we're going to do some body weight CV exercises, then I'm going to do 3 muscular strength and endurance exercises with weights, and then 3 core exercises. When I do the core exercises, I'll bring the phone down onto the floor so you can see. I'll also demonstrate the exercises to you from different angles as well. So please watch out because I may not be doing the exercise correctly, but then I might be. Ooh. Okay, so we're going to start off with your 3 warm-up exercises. So you're going to choose one of these. So the first exercise that I'm going to do for warm-up is a heel dig. I'm not going to talk while I'm doing it because it's up to you to comment on everything else that I'm doing. Okay, so the first exercise is a heel dig. Okay, that's a heel dig. So the second exercise that I'm going to show you is a toe tap. This is still within the warm-up. Okay, and the third exercise that I'm going to show you of the warm-up is marching on the spot. Okay, so that's your 3 warm-up exercises. So you need to choose just one of those. So either the toe tap, the heel dig, or the marching on the spot. Okay, so we're moving on to the CV exercises. So these are the ones that raise your heart rate and start to work on the efficiency of your heart and lungs. Okay, so the first exercise is an astride jump or a jack. So it can be called either an astride jump or a jack. Okay? So the second exercise that I'm going to do is a burpee. Don't want to do too many of them. That raises the heart rate. Okay, the third exercise then is a squat jump. Okay, so that's your 3 CV exercises. So you only need to choose one to comment on: a stride jump jack, burpee, or the squat jump. Okay, so moving on to our muscular strength and endurance exercises. So these are the ones with the weights. So our first exercise is a bicep curl. And this one is actually a hammer curl. Okay, the next exercise I'm going to demonstrate is a shoulder press. And the final exercise that I'm going to demonstrate is an upright row. Okay, so that's your 3 muscular strength and endurance exercises. So I'm going to move the phone down onto the floor. So you should be able to see these exercises a bit better. So I'm going to try to do it from an angle that you can see. So the first exercise is a sit-up. I might have to just... Raw footage, guys, raw footage. Okay? Turn that right round to the side. Okay, the next exercise then for your core is going to be the plank. And your last exercise is going to be a leg raise. Okay, guys, so you've got 3 exercises to choose from there. So you've got your sit-up, your plank, and your leg raise. So remember, think about what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong. If everything's right, then say what it is that's right. If part of it's right, say what's right and what's wrong. And if all of it's wrong, what is wrong? Remember, what you're ideally looking at here is you're giving feedback as if you were coaching a client. So if I was coaching a client, I would perhaps say, let's say I was coaching a squat and I was coaching this. I'd perhaps say, good posture, your feet are at a 10-2 width. I can see that you've got your core nice and tight and your shoulders are over your hips. And then as you go down into the squat, I can see that you're pushing your bottom back and your knees are behind your toes. You've got a good 2-2 speed and action there. However, try and pull your arms up so they're coming out to the front to give you that good balance. And well done, I can see you're breathing freely throughout. So it's just about doing that. So if you want to, you can put it on a blank sheet of paper and then send me a picture of it. But remember, guys, we need to have all of the workbooks ready and done for Saturday.